Brand yourself or your agency. Market yourself or your agency is quite important. When you want to get drive large amount of bucks from your images, while you market yourself or your agency, you will get drive customer base, huge customer base to your images. Thus, it converts to more downloads and more bucks. Here is an example of a good contributor to stock images, rawpixel.com, who earns millions from stock agency sites. Rawpixel.com has more than 90,000 stock images in Shutterstock and other leading stock agency sites. But how you can market yourself or your agency? The later slides will explain how you will do that. You can write blog posts about your photos. This is an easy way to market yourself along with your agency. You can write tips and tricks regarding your photos. Another one is to showcase your photos in websites. You can get large amount of traffic from websites. Rawpixel.com created a website named rawpixel.com where they showcase their products, their images. Another cool way to market yourself is to social network sites marketing like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and others. Rawpixel has a good investment in social network sites like Twitter. In Twitter, rawpixel.com has nearly 9,000 followers.